Music with Mr. Alex.
Oh, hi everyone. Didn't see you come in. Welcome to my home. Thanks for joining us. Oh, where are my manners? Let me introduce you to some of my friends who are here. Well, first off, we have my good friends, the Christmas Carls.
I'm Carl Sagan. I'm Carl Baskin. And I'm Carl Channing.
Also, my good friend, Frosty the Snow Alex, is joining us.
Hey, Mr. Alex, can we turn the heat down in here? It's a little warm.
Well, of course we can turn up the heat for you, buddy. Mi casa, su casa. Alex of Christmas Future, do you mind?
Beep, beep, beep.
Thanks, buddy. You know, speaking of home, when I'm not here at my mountain home in the wilderness of Fort Indian Town Gap, Pennsylvania, I'm at my other home, gym time, learning and playing with all of my friends. Although we may not be together now, I'd just like to say,
oh, there's no place like home for the holidays, 'cause no matter how far away you roam, when you pine for the sunshine of a friendly gaze, for the holidays you can't beat home sweet home. I met a coach who jumps on trampolines and walks on balance beams, and a teacher who bakes homemade pumpkin pies. From York Avenue, folks are traveling down to dance in music class, and for artwork that's prolific, gee, the pep room is terrific. Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays, 'cause no matter how far away you roam, when you pine for the sunshine of a friendly gaze, for the holidays you can't beat home sweet home. For the holidays you can't beat home sweet home.
Gym with Coach Chris.
Hi, Gym Time friends. Back for more fun in the fall. First, we're gonna crawl like a bear. Everybody ready? Here we go. Hands and feet, start crawling. Crawl like a bear forward, and crawl like a bear backwards. All right, now we're gonna hop like a bunny. I'm gonna sing my favorite song. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Hop like a bunny all day. Oh, we're gonna crawl like a squirrel. Lift your hands and knees. Crawl like a squirrel. Maybe climb like a squirrel. Let's climb like a squirrel. That sounds better. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna run. My son said run like a chipmunk. Here we go, run forward. And run backwards. One more time. Run forward. And run backwards. All right, Gym Time friends, I'll see you soon. Have fun.
Kitchen with Miss Sheena and Mr. Pierce.
Hi, and welcome to Kitchen Little. I'm Chef Sheena, and I'm gonna show you how to make a childhood favorite of mine. This really reminds me of home because it's my grandmother's recipe. It's mac and cheese. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? So some of the ingredients you're gonna need to start today, you're gonna need some macaroni noodles, melted butter, seasonings, sour cream, heavy cream, eggs, mozzarella cheese, and cheddar cheese. So let's mix it up. The first thing that's gonna go into the bowl with the noodles is the melted butter. The melted butter will help the seasoning stick to the noodles. The seasoning mix that I have here, my grandmother's specialty, is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. That's it. So you're gonna add that to the bowl and mix it up. Make sure the seasoning is coating all of the noodles. You really want to get it on each and every noodle in the bowl. So just like that. The next thing I'm gonna add is the sour cream. Sour cream is really yummy in this recipe, and it helps the mac and cheese stay nice and creamy. So I'm gonna add that and just really coat it just the same way we did with the seasoning. I'm gonna coat it on the noodles and just get it all mixed in really well. So each noodle has just a little of sour cream on it. So now we're in here and we're looking really creamy, right? The next thing I'm gonna add is the mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and just dump all of that inside and give that a good mix. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cheddar cheese. Be sure to save a little cheddar cheese for the top of your mac and cheese at the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and add most of it, right? And then save a little bit for the top. I'm gonna go ahead and combine that cheese with the noodles. We're looking yummy already, and man oh man, does this smell delicious. Next, I'm going to add the cream. Get it all mixed up so every noodle is nice and wet from the cream, and then I'm gonna add the eggs. The egg will help the macaroni kind of stick together as it cooks in the oven, and it'll almost be like a macaroni pie situation, right? So just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the macaroni to my dish. While I'm doing this, I have my oven preheating at 375 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and just pat that down so everything is inside of my dish. And then I'm gonna top it off with the remainder of that cheddar cheese and bake it in the oven until it gets golden brown. Just like that. Look at that creamy, cheesy mac and cheese. A little something to remind you of home.